Hi everyone! Let's do a quick stretch together to refresh our body and mind from work. You can play your favorite music in the background, do whatever it takes to treat yourself to feel better. You deserve this break. Stand with your feet wide open. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, with your palm, press your head to the right. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Feel the stretch on your neck. One last inhale. Exhale, come back to the center. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Exhale, head to the left. One last inhale. Exhale, back to the center. Now roll your head to the right for a couple of times. Syncing your movement with your breath. Inhale as you roll your head up. Exhale as you roll it down. Change direction, roll it to the left. One last inhale. Exhale, come back to the center. Now roll your shoulders back. And roll it forward. Inhale, raise both arms up. Slight back bend if it feels good for you. Exhale, fold forward. Try to touch the floor with your fingertips. Bend your knees generously as much as needed. Inhale, bring your hips down, bend your knees deeper. Exhale, straighten up your knees. Inhale, hips down. Exhale, hips up. Repeat for a couple of times. Release any tension on your hamstring. It can be very tight from all the sitting. One last inhale, hips down. Exhale, hips up. Now hug both your elbows and sway side to side, side to side. Pulse up and down, up and down. Nice. Now inhale, raise your arms up, slight back bend if it feels good for you. Exhale, interlace your fingers together behind your back. Inhale, lengthen up your spine. Exhale, pull those fingers away from your shoulders. Look up. Shine your chest up to the sky, shoulder blades meeting each other. Really feel the stretch on your shoulder, on your back, on your chest, on your arms. One last inhale. Exhale, release your arms. Stand tall and look forward. Now interlace your fingers together over your head. As you exhale, bend to your right, look up, feel the stretch along the left side of your body. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Now drop your right arm down and roll your left shoulder forward. Draw a big circle with your left fingertips. Keep your left elbow straight. And reverse circle to the back. Come back to the center. Interlace your fingers over your head again. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend to the left. Look up and stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Now drop your left arm down. Roll your right shoulder forward. Maximum range of movement. Really feel the stretch on your right shoulder. Now reverse, roll it to the back. One last inhale. Exhale, come back to the center. Now bend your knees and place your palms on your thighs closer to your knees. You can open your feet wider if that feels more stable and comfortable for you. Now drop your right shoulder forward. Feel that twist in your spine. Look to the left and back. If you hear a cracking sound, as long as it's not painful, it's okay. Don't worry. One last inhale. Exhale, come back to the center. Now drop your left shoulder forward. Push your left knee open. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Come back to the center. Take a deep breath. Inhale, raise both arms up. Exhale, release. Let go of any remaining tension in your body. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, release. Now palms together. Close your eyes. Check in with your breath again. Notice how your body feels. Notice how your mind feels. Thank yourself for taking in the time for this quick break. Thumbs to our forehead, reminding us to have clear and loving thoughts. Thumbs to our heart, reminding us to have clear and loving intention. Thumbs to our mouth, reminding us to have clear and loving communication. Namaste. Thanks for watching, everyone. If this helps, please like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Have an amazing day ahead. Bye for now.